गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रेखा है। आज मैं जिस विषय पर आपके सामने बात करूंगी ये विषय है जेंडर स्कूल एंड सोसाइटी। जेंडर स्कूल सोसाइटी के तहत आज हम बात करेंगे जेंडर के बारे में। तो व्हाट इज जेंडर एंड व्हाट आर द कैटेगरीज ऑफ जेंडर। तो जेंडर मीन्स अगर हम जेंडर के पर्यायवाची की बात करें तो हमें पता है कि जेंडर का पर्यायवाची है लिंग, और हमारे समाज में ही दो प्रकार के लिंग पाए जाते हैं, स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग। और अगर इंग्लिश में बात करें तो वही दो जेंडर है, मेल एंड फीमेल। मेल एंड फीमेल सृष्टि का जब से आधार हुआ है, जब से सृष्टि शुरू हुई है, तभी से मेल और फीमेल का जो एग्जिस्टेंस है वो हमारी सृष्टि पर पाया जाता है। और जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि आपके घरों में भी आपके मम्मी पापा, तो दे आर द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट। So if we talk about the male related issues, they come under masculinity, and if we talk about the female related issues, they comes under femininity. So what are the related issues that are related to the male? So as we know from the beginning of the society that male members are, we can say the dominating members are there, or we can say the dominance is in the nature of a man, or they always dominate the partner, or they always dominate I'm talking about the earlier time. They always dominate the co-partner. We can say they always dominate to the female member of the family, or we can say the female member of the society. In earliest in 1970s, the sociologist also says that the female is working as the subordinate for the male member, or they always think that they are like the subordinate for us. So now in these days the thinking of society is going to be changed. So there is a change in our society. So we are talking about the male related issues. The male related issue, or we can say the masculinity. These are the some key points regarding the masculinity and femininity. So these are the first point is the male are goal oriented. Yes, it's a true fact that the male are goal oriented, because always they think about a goal, or if sometimes they think that what in what way I have to complete my task. So we always see in the society, or we always see the example in our surrounding that male members are more goal oriented members of society. If we talk about the femininity, or they are process oriented, we can't say that they are not goal oriented. They are also goal oriented, but they want to complete their goal through a proper process, through a proper way. So we can say they are more dependent, or we can say they have more quality of process. Through process they want to do their work. So this is the basic difference, the first difference between the masculinity and femininity. And if we go to the second point, then they are tough and hard. If we see the outer face of the male, sometimes they may be very soft by the inner, but if we see the outer things, then we can the father. If here there is a father in your family, you see the example at your home. You see the example at your home. If you want something from your father, then from whom you request? From your mother, because your father is hard and tough. Sometimes he can say no, you can't do that, but mother always say, oh yes, I will try for that. So this is the basic thing, that they are very much tough and hard. And the females, if we talk about the femininity, they are soft, and we can say emotionally they are weak as comparative to his husband. If we talk about the third point, that is the male are more competitive. The male members, if we say in the society, they always believe in competition. They always want to go ahead. They always want to achieve something, or they always want to something, because they always they wants to go higher. Always they become in competition, but always they believe in competition, But if we talk about the female member, they are always compromising nature, or always they say let it to be, it's okay. So they are compromising Indian nature. And if we talk about the male members, they always admires the winners. They always admires the winners because they are also goal oriented, and they always admire the persons who are winners. But if we talk about the females, they always have sympathy. They always have, sometimes we can't say always, sometimes they have sympathy for the losers also. Or they are, we can say on there is a difference on other basis also. Physically, we can say the mentally, or sometime there are many aspects. So we can say the on the many aspects we can say that there is a basic difference between male and females. If we talk about the gender, then a question is come in my mind. Sometime we thought that the gender and sex is a similar word. The gender and sex is not a similar word. The gender and sex is the different word. The gender, when we talk about the gender, we know that we are talking about the social status of a person. Whether it is a male or a female, they both come in that category. If we talk about the gender, then we talk about the social status of the female or male. Anyone may become in that category. If we talk about the sex, then biologically it is on the basis of reproductive system. It is on the basis of biological needs. It is also based on the some other aspects also. So there is a basic difference between the sex and gender. So I think everything will be clear to you. In other video we will talk about the school and society. Thank you and have a nice day.